Alright, so your car has got a misfire or a rough idle. Here are two things you should check before you go start spending a bunch of money. First, we're going to look at our mass airflow sensor, and we're also going to look at our throttle body. So your throttle body is going to be at your intake. On this particular car, we'll take this plastic cover off. And you can see our throttle body is down here, and she is nasty. Let's take a closer look. So this is our throttle body. I'm not sure if you can really tell, but it is partially open. So some cars have a idle air control that allows air in for the engine to run at idle, and some of them just manually have the throttle blade open just a hair. So when you have all this buildup around this throttle blade, it restricts the airflow, and it can cause your car to run rough at idle. So we're going to want to clean this. Before you clean it, disconnect your battery, because on some of these electric throttle bodies, the blade can try to close itself sometimes. But what you're going to do, you'll get something to wedge this throttle body open, preferably with something that's not going to be able to fall down in the intake, because then you will have a really bad day. We're going to put some brake cleaner on a rag, and you'll just go in here and you'll clean everything. See all that junk coming out? We will clean the outside, we'll open it back up, clean the bottom, clean the top, and then we'll be good to go. And there you go, we have a clean throttle body. Now you can use a brush like this to kind of get down in there and help clean. And you can spray a little bit of brake cleaner in here, but keep in mind, everything you spray in here is going directly into your engine, into your intake. So you don't want to spray a lot, but giving it a few spritz and scrubbing it and then wiping it out with your rag, you'll be fine. But you don't want to clean it up and then sit there and just be flooding it with brake cleaner, trying to wash all this junk out, because you're actually washing it down into your engine. So now let's take a look at our mass airflow sensor. And what this little bad boy does, it actually reads how much air is coming into the engine. That way the engine computer can decide how much fuel to put with it. So if this thing is not reading right, it's going to cause you all kind of problems. The first thing you really want to do is take your air box apart and check your air filter. This one has got some rigging going on. Alright, so you're going to take your air box and pull your filter out, and then you're going to want to look at your filter. Now this one, she is dirty and used. A lot of times you won't have this foam junk on here, but she is dirty. Now, if your air filter is clogged, it can't let air through to get your engine. So a clogged air filter will cause a rough idle. Now let's look at the mass airflow. Now depending on your vehicle, these are going to be held in different ways, or maybe even in a little bit different place. But they're usually right here by the air box or the air intake pipe. So we're going to lift our little safety clip, pinch the connector, pull it off. Now this one is held in with two 5.5 mil bolts, so we'll take those out. Pull our mass airflow sensor out. So here's this one. Now you've got different styles. You've got some like this that are boxed up. You've got some that are big, like this one, and it's got the honeycomb. You don't want to damage this because this helps the air flow through in a particular way. But if we look through the backside, it's hard to tell with all the dust and trash in this one. But you've got little resistors in there that the air flows by, and that's how it actually reads. You want to take some mass airflow cleaner or brake cleaner and clean all this stuff and blow it out really good and make sure it is nice and clean. But you want to be careful because these things are pretty delicate. On the style like the one that come out of this car, you can see your resistors are right there. So if anything gets past your air filter, or if you get a mouse, I've seen several vehicles over the years where mice have gotten into the air filter, and part of the air filter will get sucked in to the mass airflow sensor here and kind of get on these resistors, and it will cause the car to go crazy, run all kinds of weird ways. So you want to clean all this and then blow it out. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of shop air, not no 200,000 pounds. Clean it out, and then you put it back in, and hopefully that will have your problem solved. Either way, these two, well technically three things, are overlooked a lot of times. Your air filter, that's routine maintenance. Your throttle body, and your mass airflow sensor. You should be checking these, I would say, once a year, once every 2 years, depending on what type of vehicle you've got. But hardly anyone ever looks at any of this stuff until they've got an issue. But hopefully, if you've got a rough running car, you can check some of this stuff out, and hopefully that'll get you back up without spending much money and save you a little bit of cash. If y'all found this useful, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. And as always, check out the Facebook group, the merch store, and hit that like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.